on to sample problem 6.7. Tompkins Associates reports that the mean clear height for a Class A warehouse in the United States is 22 feet. Suppose clear heights are normally distributed and that the standard deviation is 4 feet. A Class A warehouse in the United States is randomly selected. What is the probability that the clear height is greater than 17 feet? Let's first start out with a picture. So if I have a picture of a normally distributed function, here is my mean at 22. We are looking at a value of 17, and we want the probability that it is greater than 17, which means I want all of this. Okay? In order to do that, the very first thing I need to do is find a z-score. So z is equal to my data value minus my mean over my standard deviation. So this is 17 minus 22, and if we read back in the problem, we would see that our standard deviation is 4. This is negative 5 over 4, or negative 1.25. That means that the z-score for my 17 value is negative 1.25. Now, let's look at this for a second because we're going to be looking in your chart for a minute. This shaded area is made up of two parts. It's made up of this part right here, which is from my 22 on to the right. This is half of my data, so this part right here is 0.5. The other part that I need to look at is this part that's right here. Okay, this is from negative 1.25 to my mean. So let's go look at my chart because you'll see that your chart doesn't have negative values, it only has positive values, and how we're going to use that. So let's pull up your chart very quickly here. And we are going to come here. And see, if you notice here, this is a positive z value, okay, not a negative. So I need to go to 1.2, 5, which is this 0.3944 value. That means that from here to here, so let's remember 0.3944, that means that from here to here is 0.3944. So we're actually going to take those two values, 0.5, and add it to the 0.3944 to end up with 0.8944. Okay, that is then the probability that you will have a clear height that is greater than 17 feet.